Sisters, welcome back. It's Miss Sunny. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about a problem a lot of ladies in the natural hair space face. What do I mean by that? I mean by hard, seemingly unmanageable natural. That is, ladies are finding it difficult to comb their hair. In a lot of these cases, what the ladies think will help them is texlaxing their hair. But most of the times, it goes wrong. And that's what we are going to be discussing today. Now, for the sisters that do not know what texlaxing is, it's simply a cream you put in your hair and it makes your hair a bit looser. So your hair doesn't become completely relaxed, but curls become looser. That way you're able to comb your hair easily, you're able to manage your hair easier. But most of the time, this process makes the situation worse. And you're going to see what I'm talking about when I say worse. So I'm going to play some videos for you so the sisters who are planning on getting a texturizer will know what really they are getting themselves into. So the first video you're going to be watching is this video.
This is the result of my curly hair leave out on my texturized hair. Honestly, I feel like this is a full-on perm because there's no curls. I literally try my best to like make it a little bit curly, but it looks a hot mess now. Yeah, I might just have to throw out my hair and do a big chop again. So if you're thinking about doing a texturizer, don't do it because your hair will end up literally relaxed. I don't see the difference between this and relaxed hair. Honestly, like there's no curls.
I literally thought that texturizing my hair will give me an opportunity to manage my hair a lot better, but it's just completely damaged my hair. My hair broke so much, and the way it's breaking is really, really scary to me. Like, it's literally coming off into my hand.
So in the first two videos we just watched, you realize that their hair is very loose. Like, it almost seemed like it's been relaxed. The reason you get results like this is if you have fine strands and you go ahead and put a texturizer in your hair, it's going to make your hair more loose. And that's how come the hair palm slide. It's a perm. Now we are going to move on to cases where sisters have really thick 4C type hair, and you're going to see the results they normally end up with.
And does it have as much hair as I do? You're literally going to need 2 bottles of this. The instructions say to apply to detangled hair, and you have to comb it through from the front and then from the back, and then leave it in for an extra. I didn't want my hair to process too fast, so I combed it through once and then washed it off immediately. And I also recommend that you get some protein treatments as well. Don't overdo it, but these are a couple that I suggest. If you keep on top of your hydration, your hair will be absolutely gorgeous. So those are all the questions that y'all frequently asked, and yeah.
In this lady's case, she had really thick hair. She followed instructions as we saw earlier, and the results came out really well. Now, in this lady's case, you realize that she already has fine textured hair. So when she went ahead and used the texturizer in the hair, it made the case worse. Like, her hair completely fell out. She had to barb everything. The thing is, if you already don't know how to section your hair, detangle in sections, using slippery conditioners to help in the detangling process, if you don't know how to do all that and you even texturize your hair, you are still going to have difficulty when it comes to dealing with your hair. Having proper knowledge on how to deal with your hair, how to comb your hair, how to section your hair, how to detangle your hair, having that basic knowledge will help whether you have natural hair or permed hair or texturized hair. In other cases, sisters like to texturize their edges so that it can be they can lay the edges more easily, because a lot of people have very curly edges and a lot of sisters like to slay apparent. So they use texturizers on their edges, just on the edges part of their hair, so that they can lay back well. But the problem is your edges can fall out. Literally, your edges can fall out, and that's how you end up with bald edges. Like in the previous case where the girl had to cut her whole head of hair because her hair started falling out after using the texturizer in your hair. So is it really worth it? And in my opinion, I think you should play safe by not using it at all. But for the sisters who disagree, let me know your reasons in the comments. Now, if you already have chemically treated hair, like you had bleached your hair before, you have dyed your hair, chemically altering processes to your hair, when you do that, your hair actually becomes weaker. So when you go ahead and use strong chemicals like texturizers on your hair, it makes the case worse, and that's how come you end up with bald patches like the lady we just saw right now.
A quick story about how I became raggedy bald. So I woke up this morning and I decided to texturize my hair a bit before going to the salon to have a proper haircut. And then after applying the texturizer, it was less than like 1 second, and then I decided to wash the hair. I was washing, it was so smooth. So I was like, how come my hair is this soft in like split of seconds, only for me to lift my head off the washer and then boom, all of my hair was gone. The back is even worse, like as you can see. But anyways,
The last set of ladies I'll be addressing when it comes to this issue is our newborn mothers. This is the case of this lady. She newly gave birth. She wanted to have an easier time dealing with her hair, and she texturized the hair, and it didn't go well at all. This is her experience.
Babes, for those of you that still has good natural hair, good afro or fussy hair, and you want something to make your hair softer, guys, texturizer is not what you're looking for. So I had my baby a little over a year ago, and I just couldn't cope with the stress of like maintaining my natural hair, motherhood, and being a new mom, of course. Then someone recommended texturizer. Worst mistake of my life. Like, I had this instant regret. This is what I'm left with. I had really good fussy hair. Like, my afro was giving everything it should give. I'm going to add a picture of how my hair used to look like. Guys, I'm left with damaged hair. See, my hair is damaged. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Now, all this is to say, if you have seemingly unmanageable hair, one, learn how to work in sections. Go on YouTube and type how to work in sections when it comes to natural hair. You find a lot of videos. There are videos for free. They'll show you how to section your hair, how to detangle your hair, finger detangle, using wide tooth combs. A lot of recommendations of conditioners that literally help make the combing process easy. Educate yourself on how to deal with your hair so you not end up in the unfortunate situation of losing your hair when you go to texturize or relax your hair. This is not to discourage anyone from texturizing their hair, but to be on the safer side, okay, it's always best to not use strong chemicals like texturizers, like relaxers in your hair. But if you disagree with all this, let me know your thoughts about texturizers in the comments. If you've texturized your hair before, let us know your experience. And this is not to say if you texturize your hair will fall out. There are a lot of ladies that have very good experiences with texturizers, but that doesn't negate the fact that there are also these sets of cases that when you use texturizers in your hair can literally fall out, okay, and you can literally lose all your hair. So that's just something I wanted to cover. If you learned something from this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share these videos with your sisters, your moms, your aunties, someone you know with natural hair, with relaxed hair. Share this video with them. You might learn a thing or two from this video. Thanks so much for watching. It's Miss Sunny, and on to the next video. Bye.